kuna issues katika chama chetu na tumesikia we shall be facing. By the way, tukisema hivyo ni kwa sababu tumesoma kwa magazeti, sio kwa sababu tumepata barua or anything official saying that. But we are aware that we are being told we need to appear before some body, disciplinary body, to answer some questions. Well, at this point, we are not sure what it is that the issues are or that the allegations are. But what we are saying is whatever the allegations are, they can just bring them along, because I mean, what are we going to do? It seems that when you have a party that we fought so hard to form government, and we formed government, and then here we are, the same party with a very big majority in both the Senate and in the National Assembly has gone over and brought the minority on board to be the ones who are making decisions and running the show, while they have sidelined their own people, and now even they took away our positions, they took away our committees, and now here we are being disciplined. So what we are saying is let them come here. If it is me who is a senator of Nakuru County, let whatever committee that is come and bring whatever accusations they are bringing to Nakuru, and let them subject me to that committee or whoever they are here in Nakuru County. Otherwise, I will not be saying too much at this point, because we are not even sure what the allegations are. But I would like to ask one thing. If the party leader himself has gone and brought Raila into the party through handshake, but then as we want to be accused of not being faithful to the party's manifesto or agenda, then I'm confused, because I am not sure that there is any crime that would be bigger than bringing non-party members, actually party leaders of other parties, into our party. Yet we have not insulted anybody, and I want to challenge anybody. If there is any insult that I, as Susan Kihika, has ever made against the party leader, I want that clip circulated, because I'm sure internet never forgets. The clips are kept, you can find them. So we cannot just keep saying that we have not been respectful, we have been insultive, and yet there is no evidence of such. At the same time, we live in a democratic country where there is, we respect actually different opinions on things, and we cannot be being prosecuted because we are not singing the song that they want us to sing. We stand with our party leader, Uhuru Kenyatta, and his deputy, William Ruto. Beyond that, it is nonsense. And